first record that we have, the first record holder is the largest floating painting on water. This record is made by none other than the Rajkumar Chandan, who was born on 5th April 1955 of Dewas, Madhya Pradesh, and his team of 20 artists. His team of 20 artists made this painting possible. This painting was made on 17 acres water canvas of lake, which was decorated with 304 flowers. Amazing! It is also making the largest floating painting on water by Rajkumar Chandan. Let's congratulate him and give him a big applause for this remarkable achievement. Second award that we have is the largest painting by mouth. So we just saw about the painting on water, the largest painting made by mouth without using hands. The record for making largest painting by mouth was achieved by R. Rajendran. R. Rajendran, kindly come on stage. He is from Tamil Nadu. The painting, which measures 9.14 meters, it's 9.14 meters long and 6.10 meters, which is 20 feet high, which was made with a concept, the team of Mother Teresa and organized to this world. And it is a display actually which is the Trade Center. The painting was started by him on 19th October 2007 and he finished his painting on 30th October 2007. Congratulations, Mr. R. Rajendran, for this another unique, remarkable achievement. Now the third category that we have is a record for, I was requesting you all to clap. And to clap, what do we need? Imagine a record of clapping with one hand. Yes, that's the next record. The record for maximum number of clapping with one hand in 1 minute was achieved by Navneet Singh of Hisar, Haryana. He clapped 284 times with one hand in 1 minute in Mumbai on 23rd July 2008. Congratulations for this unbelievable achievement. Mr. Navneet Singh, I think we need to give him a big applause. The next record holder that we have with us is the record for biggest singing city clock. A person who has designed and created the biggest singing city clock. The record for biggest singing city clock was achieved by Raipur Development Authority. The city clock measures 15 meters. It's 15 meters high and 1.8 meters in radius, made up of concrete. It was installed in front of collector's office near Mantralaya at Raipur, Chhattisgarh on December 1995. Since January 2008, the clock plays Chhattisgarh folk songs every hour, lasting for about 25 to 30 seconds. That's the record for the biggest singing city clock. Right? After this award, we have. Okay, so let's listen. Right, Mr. Tejpal Dev is there with us. He would like to tell you something more about this singing clock for 2 minutes. Yes, please stand on stage.
ये सिंगिंग क्लॉक जो है छत्तीसगढ़ की राजधानी रायपुर में है और उस समय मैं दिल्ली में भी रहा छत्तीसगढ़ सरकार के जनसंपर्क की तरफ से। तो मुझे ये लगता था कि छत्तीसगढ़ जो है वो दिल्ली में नहीं जाना जाता है। तो जब मैं यहाँ से वापस लौटा तो मुझे लगा कुछ ऐसा करना चाहिए। तो ये हमने रायपुर में जो एक सिंगिंग क्लॉक जिसे हम नगर घड़ी कहते हैं, उसमें हमने छत्तीसगढ़ की 24 लोक धुनों को उसमें समावेश किया है। और ये धुनें, जैसा कि आपने सुना होगा कि छत्तीसगढ़ की बहुत सारी धुनें होती है, जैसे बांस गीत है, ढोला मारू है, सोहर है, जस गीत है, रामधुनी, भोजरी, पंथी, और आपको याद भी होगा कि पंडवानी जो है वहाँ की बहुत ही लोकप्रिय शैली है और उसमें उसकी जो गायिका है तीजन बाई, उसको पद्मश्री भी अवार्ड हुआ है। तो मेरे पास मेरे मोबाइल में वो धुनें हैं जो 25 से 30 सेकंड की हैं और आने वाला समय में हम इसको 1 मिनट भविष्य में करेंगे। तो रात को 2 बजे जो धुन बजती है, धुन बजने के बाद 2 घंटे बजते हैं। अगर 4 बजे हैं तो एक नई धुन बजेगी और फिर 4 घंटे बजेंगे। और ये जो रिकॉर्ड है अपने आप में एक अनूठा रिकॉर्ड है, क्योंकि एक दिन में 24 घंटे होते हैं, 25वां घंटा होता नहीं, और हमारा ये रिकॉर्ड कोई नहीं तोड़ सकता। इसलिए ये अपने आप में अनूठा है। लोग इसको ये कर सकते हैं कि इसकी धुन बदल सकते हैं, इसमें कोई दूसरी शैली वो लोग इसमें डाल सकते हैं, लेकिन हमारा ये रिकॉर्ड जो है बहुत अनूठा है और विश्व में ये ऐसी पहली घड़ी है जो लोक धुन बजाती है। तो इसकी एक मैं आपको रात को 2 बजे जो बजती है ढोला मारू वो सुना रहा हूं। इसके बाद मैं आपको पंडवानी भी जरूर सुनाना चाहूंगा, क्योंकि इसमें पद्मश्री हमारे अंचल की तीजन बाई को मिला है। तो बस ये पंडवानी बताने के बाद मैं आप लोग से पुरस्कार ग्रहण करूंगा। यह है पंडवानी। इंडिया बुक ऑफ रिकॉर्ड्स को मैं बहुत धन्यवाद देना चाहूंगा कि उन्होंने हमारा हौसला बढ़ाया है कि जो हमने रिकॉर्ड बनाया था हमने मन से इसको देखा और आने वाले समय में हम गिनीज बुक ऑफ वर्ल्ड के रिकॉर्ड के लिए हम भागीदारी करेंगे, उसका दावा करेंगे। और मैं तहे दिल से इंडिया बुक ऑफ रिकॉर्ड्स को धन्यवाद देता हूं कि उन्होंने हमें आमंत्रित किया। और मैं अब आप सबको हमारे छत्तीसगढ़ के लोगों की ओर से आमंत्रित करता हूं कि आप रायपुर आएं और वहां इस नगर घड़ी को देखें और इसकी धुन सुनें। धन्यवाद।
So I think we must visit and see it ourselves. Always invited us. Now the next record that we have is we all know that cars have doors. Yeah? But there's someone who has set a new record by creating a different kind of a door for physically handicapped people. The record for making vertical sliding doors for cars was achieved by Bhavani Singh of Dasori, Bikaner, Rajasthan. The door he created opens vertically at 90 degrees, making it convenient for physically challenged to enter the car and parking in crowded places. What a thoughtful creation and what a thoughtful record. Definitely it requires much bigger applause. After this category, we have another category, another motivator among us who's been motivating people to donate eyes. Eyes are so valuable and so precious for each one of us. Prakriti Chandra of Lucknow started giving discourses on eye awareness. This young record holder who has inspired people for eye donation since September 14, 2003. At the age of 4.5 years, she started this mission. On August 10, 2008, she has given discourses for approximately 1,86,000 people and 27,588 people, and had pledged to donate their eyes. She is the brand ambassador of Drishti Suraksha Abhiyan.